Hello, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around on this clean truck. This is the 2017, the GMC Sierra 1500. You will be amazed at how many miles this truck has on it. Stock number is 7102. 9,000 miles on this truck, that's it. In this virtual video walk around, we're going to show you up close and personal, in real time, the condition of this truck. And it's absolutely impeccable. So we make our way around, we're going to show you up the driver's side exterior. And of course, let's take a sneak peek on the interior and see how she looks, which is just like brand new. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. That's the sunset difference at no cost to you. Wow. I think I'm gonna go take this truck for a drive here in just a second. I like it. For more information, call, email, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you in person and possibly earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.